As we start a gesture drawing, start by looking at the model and assessing the overall pose. And remember, the goal is to block in the entire pose in a few seconds, so you're looking for very simple, loose, and gestural lines where you're working from the shoulder. I generally start with the head, which I simplify to a circle or an oval shape. This gives me a starting point at which to anchor the figure on the paper. What I'm doing there is making a little note also that you may want to do of the way the head is facing by making a little axis line that shows the center of the face. Working my way down, I mark the shoulder and the neck, and I start looking just loosely for the round, longest shapes, which we would call action lines. And I don't overthink it, I just look and respond with these curvilinear, long, sweeping gestures. And I'm assuming any line I initially draw is going to be adjusted later, so I make them very light to start with. I'm making some little landmark notes there, right there of the position of the knee, just with a little point. And I'm holding my pencil up, and I'm matching the angle of one knee to the other, and I'm noticing that the knee closest to me appears to be lower because of the positioning of the leg. So I'm making a note and doing the same things with the back of the feet, the heel of the foot. And those are also appearing at a slight angle, and I'm checking it with my pencil and closing one eye and holding my pencil up, and this is called sighting. And I'm drawing a little axis line lightly that will show that angle. And then I'm moving back up, I'm looking at the abdomen and the back of the arm, and just moving, not resting in one place, and moving fluidly and not getting stuck in small details. You'll notice I'm also working through the figure, allowing the pencil to drag through the figure as I pass from one part of the body to another, and I'm adjusting my pressure so it will lighten up in certain places and get darker in others. And as I'm going, I'm right there making a note of the direction of each foot. You also want to do that in a quick gestural pose. And now that you have everything blocked in, you can go in as I'm doing there and looking at the curvilinear shapes of the forms, the thighs, the major masses of the body. And that's the main idea. In a quick gestural drawing, you want to start off fast and then flesh it out depending on how much time you have left.